So let us start the session. Today we are going to discuss about term 1 sample paper, first sample paper, which was conducted yesterday, right? So now let us start with the first section A, first question. If A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, then find the value of A to the power B plus B to the power A whole to the power minus 1. So for A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, what we have to do, we have to substitute both the values. ठीक है. So ध्यान से देखो, मैं substitute कर रहा हूँ 1 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 1. This will become 1 and this will become 2. So 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 and this is 3 to the power minus 1. तो उसको हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे? 1 upon 3. So the correct option is B bit. Now we are moving toward the second question. Which of the following is not a criteria for congruence of triangles? What is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C, right. क्योंकि SAS भी होता है, ASA भी होता है और SSS भी होता है. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 3. The lengths of three sides of a triangle are 20 centimeter, 16 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. So first we will we will take first one as A, B, and C. किसी का mic on है देखो. So S is equals, first we will find, then we will find S. So A plus B plus C by 2. So 20 plus 16 plus 12, it will be 48. So 48 by 2 will be equals to 24. Right, 24 centimeter. Now we will write the Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula?
Root over S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.
Very good. Root over whole root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now we'll substitute all the values as S, A, B, C. So see, 24 into 4 into 8 into 12 we are going to get. Okay. So 24 को हम लोग 6 into 4 लिख सकते हैं. 4 को ऐसे रखेंगे. And 8 we can write 4 into 2 and this we can write 2 into 6. और ये दोनों together 8 into 12 we can write 4 into 4 into 6. Right. So now see, 2 4 pair of 4 is 2 and pair of 6 is only 1. So 6 into 4 into 4 will be left and that is equals to 96 centimeter square. And the correct option is
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward the next question. Find the value of 32 to the power 1 by 5 minus 7 to the power 0 plus 64 to the power 1 by 2. So 32 we can write 2 to the power 5 and minus 7, non-zero number to the power 0 is always 1. And 64 we can write either 8 square. ठीक है, इसको दो तरीके से हम लोग कर सकते हैं. देखो किसी ये क्वेश्चन कुछ बुक में दिया हुआ है, ऐसे दिया हुआ है 8 और किसी में ऐसा दिया हुआ है 2 to the power 6 होल टू द पावर 1 by 2. ठीक है, तो ये कैंसिल हो गया एंड वी आर गेटिंग 2 to the power 3, दैट इज नथिंग बट 8. कैसे भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो मैं इसको 2 to the power 6 ले रहा हूँ. सो दिस विल बी 2 to the power 3 एंड दिस विल बी 2 to the power 1 क्योंकि 5 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो 2 plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3, that is 8 plus 2 plus 1. So what we are going to get? 11, right. And the correct option is
Option D.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 5. Which of the following statements is false? Through a given point, only one straight line can be drawn. Through given points, it is possible to draw one and only one straight line. This is true. ये वाला true है. Two straight lines can intersect at only one point. This is also true. A line segment can be produced to any desired length. This is also true. So only false statement is this one.
Option A.
Option A. This is the correct statement, right? Means I mean to say correct answer, which is false. So now we are moving toward question number 6. Each side of an equilateral triangle is measure 8 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. What is the formula of equilateral triangle? Area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 by 4.
Right, root 3 by 4 a square. That is side square. So side is given 8. So root 3 upon 4 into 8 square. 8 square is 16. So 16 we can cancel it by 4. we are getting 16. So final answer is 16 root 3 centimeter square. And the correct option is
Option B.
option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 7. If root 7 is equals to 2.646, then what is the value of 1 upon root 7? So what we will do, 1 upon root 7 को सबसे पहले rationalize करेंगे. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 7? रूट 7 का रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर क्या होगा? रूट 7, क्योंकि दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करने से हम लोग को रैशनल नंबर मिलेगा. सो रूट 7 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करेंगे. सो दिस विल बिकम 7 and the numerator will become root 7. So root 7 by 7. Now substitute the value of root 7 here. The value what is given, 2.646. If you divide it by 7, you will get 0.378. And the correct option is B.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward next question, question number 8. The point whose ordinate is 3 and which lies on y-axis is dash. So we know that on y-axis x coordinate is 0, that is abscissa is 0, and the y coordinate is given 3. So any point on the y-axis is in the form of 0y, right? And here the ordinate is given 3, so that is why the point will be 0, 3, and the correct option is option B, right? Okay, now we are moving toward question number 9. Abscissa of a point is positive in dash quadrant. Okay, so first quadrant में positive होता है, ध्यान से देखो. First quadrant में abscissa means x coordinate right side में positive होता है. So right side में first quadrant है और fourth quadrant है, right? यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे negative होगा because it is lying left side of y-axis. So the correct option is B. Option B, right.
Option B.
किसी का माइक बहुत ज़्यादा साउंड आ रहा है. Okay, now we are moving towards question number 10. The graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 meets the y-axis at the point. Y-axis means y-axis में x 0 है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will substitute x is equals to 0. Okay, so 2 into 0 is 0. So we are getting 3y is equals to 6. So what is the value of y? 2, right. So the point of the meeting intersecting is 0, 3. 0, 2, sorry, 0, 2. And the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 11. The width of each of the 5 consecutive classes in a frequency distribution is 5. And the lower class limit of the lower class is 10. The upper class limit of the highest class is dash. देखो कितने classes हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 classes are there, and the lower limit of the lowest class is 10. And the frequency and the width is already given 5. So width 5 दिया हुआ तो ये 15 होगा. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, यहाँ पे 5 increase करते जाओ. 20, 25, 30, and the last one is 35. This is one method, okay? So our answer is 35. दूसरा जो method है, class width is 5, right? And the lower limit of lower class is 10. So what we can do, 10 में 5 width is 5. So 5 into 5, 25. Add with 10. Okay, 5 into 5 means total width 25 plus 10. So you'll get 35. So this method is also correct. This is also correct. Then the correct option is C. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir. So now we are moving toward question number 12. An angle is 1/5 of its supplement. The measure of the angle is dash. So let the angle be x. And what is the supplement of angle x?
180.
Right, very good. 180 minus x. And according to the given condition, this angle is 1/5 of this angle. So ये एक्चुअल में अगर ठीक से लिखे तो 1/5 ऐसे लिखेंगे. So 5 को इधर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. So it will become 5x is equals to 180 minus x. Right, now shift minus x to this side, it will become plus x. So we will get 6x is equals to 180. So what is the value of x?
30.
30 degree,
30.
right? And the correct option is option B.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. In triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. Right? एक रफ फिगर मैं बना रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. AB is equals to AC. Right. And angle B is given 50 degree. This angle is given 50 degree. So these two sides are equal. So ये दोनों भी angle equal होगा because angles opposite to two equal sides are equal. So this is also 50. So what is the value of angle A?
80.
80. We will add these two angles, that is 100, and subtract it from 180 degree by using angle sum property of triangle. So we'll get 80 degree. So the correct option is C. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we are moving toward question number 14. Two complementary angles are such that twice the measure of one is equal to the 3 times the measure of the other. Right. So measure of the larger angle. So let the angle be x. So what is the complement of this angle? 90 minus x. Right. And according to the question, 2 times of one angle is equal to 3 times of the other angle. So this step is clear. So now we will open the bracket. 3 into 90, that is 270, minus 3x. Now minus 3x we will shift to this side. It will become plus 3x. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. 5x is equals to 270. So x is equals to 270 divided by 5. We are getting 54. Right. So 54 का जो complement है, that is 36. तो हम लोग को यहाँ पर larger angle लिखना है. So larger angle is 54 degree. So the correct option is B.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 15. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line if angle AOC is 3x plus 10 degree and angle 4x minus 20, angle BOC is equals to 4x minus 26 degree. Then angle BOC is what? Now what is the sum of these two angles? 180 degree,
180 degree.
linear pair, or you can write straight angle also, straight line. Right, now we'll substitute angle AOC and angle BOC. Right, so 4x plus 3x is 7x and 10 minus 26 is minus 16. Minus 16 we will shift to this side, plus 16. तो ये हो जाएगा 7x is equals to 196. This is clear all of you, this one? Right.
Yes, sir.
Now x is equals to 196 divided by 7. So 28. We are getting 28. So now angle BOC निकालना है. So यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे हम लोग x के जगह पे 4 into 28 minus 26. So 4 into 28 minus 26 we'll get 86. 112 होता है, 112 minus 26 is 86. And the final, the correct option is option
B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward the next question. In the below figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC is equals to AD and AB bisects angle A. So if these two angles are equal, then the congruence rule used in proving these two triangles congruent is, see, this is common side. So these two triangles are congruent by which criteria? SAS. So correct option is B. Now we are moving toward, this is the last question of section A. Now we are moving toward section B, first question, 17th one. Right. So if x is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3, then x plus 1 by x is equals to dash. So what we will do, the value of x is already with us. So we will find 1 upon x. 1 upon x means 1 upon 7 plus 4 root 3. So what is the rationalizing factor of this one?
7 minus 4 root 3.
Very good. 7 minus 4 root 3. So वो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Multiply, divide करेंगे. Right. So now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So this will become a square minus b square. So what is the square of 4 root 3? 48. And the square of 7 is 49. So what we are going to get? 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 49 minus 48. And this is 1. So we are getting only this part. That is 7 minus 4 root 3. Now we are going to add x and 1 upon x. सो यहाँ पे देखो ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. So and finally we are getting 14. So which option is the correct one?
Option B, sir.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 18. The area of triangle AOB having vertices 0, 6, 0, 0, 6, 0 is dash. इसको मैं अभी ग्राफ में बता रहा हूँ, बट जब सॉल्व करोगे तो बिल्कुल नॉर्मली करना है. देखो ये 0, 0 हो गया, ये सपोज 0, 6 और ये 6, 0, राइट. तो यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ करके केवल इसका एरिया निकालना है. तो एरिया इज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. ओके, अभी फिलहाल मैं ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. देखो दिस इज द ग्राफ एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल. ओके, एंड दिस इज 90 डिग्री. So half into, and this is 6 unit, and this the length is also 6 unit. Okay, so here triangle AOB is a right angle at O, and OA is equals to 6 units, OB is equals to 6 units. So area of triangle AOB is equals to half into base into height, that is half into OA into OB. Now substitute OA and OB, that is 6 into 6. एक 2 हम लोग इससे कैंसिल कर लेंगे. So we are getting 18 square units. So the correct option is
Option C.
option C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 19. In the below figure, y is equals to dash. Right. So here, this angle 3x. Okay, 3x plus 72. The sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Right, by linear pair, or you can write AOB as a straight line. Now shift 72 degree to this side, so it will become minus 72. So 180 minus 72 is 108. 108 divided by 3 is 36. So x का वैल्यू निकल गया, बट वी नीड टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y. ठीक है, तो y के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ये पूरा स्ट्रेट लाइन यूज करेंगे, दिस वन. Now we are having the value of x, so we are using this angles because AOB is a straight line, so sum of all these angle is 180 degree. Now we'll substitute all the values. Angle AOC x 36 degree, COD 90 degree, and this angle we have to find y. Right, the sum of these two is 126. 126 shift to this side, so 180 minus 126 is 54, and the correct option is option B.
Option B, sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 20. Find the value of x if 2 by 3 to the power x into 3 by 2 to the power 2x is equals to 81 upon 16. Right. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे. If we take the reciprocal of this one, this will become minus. Right. Now ये दोनों बेस सेम है. Now power we will add because multiply हो रहा, product rule. So x minus 2x is minus x, and this we can write 2 to the 3 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4, and this we can write 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. Okay, and here also we can again take the reciprocal because it is minus, so that will become 3 by 2 to the power x, and the right side is 3 by 2 whole to the power 4. If we compare the powers, we'll get x is equals to 4, and the correct option is option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 21. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 5:12:13, and its perimeter is 150 centimeter. The area of the triangle is dash. So first of all, the ratio is given of the sides, so we'll take 5x, 12x, 13x. Right, and the perimeter is given 150. So sum of these three sides, देखो 5x plus 12x 17x plus 13x 30x. Okay, 30x is equals to 150. So x is equals to 5. Now we'll substitute here. ध्यान से देखो, 5x 5 into 5 25 हो जाएगा, and this will become 60, and this will become 65. So these are the three sides, 25, 60 and 65. Right. So A, B, C. Now the perimeter is 150. So what is semi-perimeter? S
75.
75. Right. Now we'll write the Heron's formula. Then we'll substitute the value of S, A, B, C. ध्यान से देखो, this will become 50, and this will become 15, and this will become 10. right? 75 we will write 15 into 5, and 50 we will write 5 into 10. So we'll get this one. अब देखो सभी दो दो में आ गया, पेयर में आ गया. 10 also in pair and 15 also in pair. So when we will take square root, then it will be only, we have to write only one number. So 15 into 5, 75 into 10, 750 centimeter square. And the correct option is option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 22. Find the value of x to the power p minus q into x to the power q minus r into x to the power r minus p. So सभी का base same है. So we will add the powers. So if we add the powers, q, q, r, r and p, p all will cancel, and we are getting x to the power 0, right? And x to the power 0 is always equals to 1, non-zero to the power. Otherwise 0 to the power 0 is not defined, okay? And that is not with respect to your class. So x to the power 0 we are getting, and that is equals to 1. And the correct option is B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 23. If x is equals to root 7 by 5 and 5 by x is equals to p root 7, then the value of p is dash. So first of all, 5 by x is equals to p root 7. Now we will substitute the value of x here. देखो यहाँ पे substitute करेंगे. That is root 7 by 5. Okay. Now ये 5 जो है ये ऊपर आ जाएगा, because we have to take reciprocal. So 5 into 5 upon root 7 is equals to p root 7, right? So this will become 25 upon root 7 is equals to p root 7. So next step में root 7 we will shift to this side. So root 7 into root 7 will become 7. So 25 by 7 is the required value of p, and the correct option is
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 24. The class marks of a frequency distributions are 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. The class corresponding to the class mark 20. तो यहाँ पे देखो कितने का difference है? What is the difference? All numbers? 5 का difference है. So 5 को half करो. That is 2.5. 2.5 एक बार add करना है, एक बार subtract करना है. ठीक है, एक बार subtract करना है और एक बार add करना है. The corresponding class mark, then you will get the corresponding class. Okay, right. So we have the frequency distribution. We are given frequency distribution with class marks 15, 20, 25, 30. Class size is given 5, and class mark the class corresponding to which class mark we have to find, that is 20. So what we have to find for lower limit, we have to subtract 5 by 2, right? That is 2.5. So 20 minus 2.5 is 17.5. And for upper limit, we have to add the same value, 2.5. So 22.5 we are getting. So, and the correct answer is 17.5 to 22.5. That is the option B. Right. This answer is clear to all of you?
Yes, yes.
Right.
Yes, sir.
अभी मान लो 30 का 25 का हम लोग को निकालना है. So 25 से पहले 2.5 subtract करना है. So 22.5. Then you have to add 2.5, 27.5. So 25 के corresponding जो class होगा वो होगा 22.5 to 27.5. Right. So that is why you should know how to find the class when class mark is given. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 25. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD and angle APQ is given 70 degree and angle PRD is given 120 degree. Then angle QPR, this angle we have to find. Okay. Now, if this angle is given 70 degree, so this angle is also 70 degree, this one. Why?
Alternate.
Right,
Alternate
alternate interior
interior.
angles. Right, very good. Now, this angle is sum of these two angles. By which property? 120 degree is the sum of these two angles. These two angles. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Right? And exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So, angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRD. Now, substitute all the values. Shift 70 to this side. So it will become minus 70. So angle QPR is equals to 50 degrees. So this is one way. I will explain you in another way. ध्यान से देखो. This angle is equals to this angle. Why? Alternate interior angles, right? So ये वाला कितना होगा? 120 minus 70, 50 degree. तो वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, right? वो ज़्यादा easy रहेगा, direct हो जाएगा. So now we are going to start question number 26. The base of an isosceles triangle is 6 centimeter and each of its equal sides is 5 centimeter. The height of the triangle is dash. So एक rough figure मैं draw कर रहा हूँ, ध्यान से देखो. So these two sides are equal and this is 6 centimeter and these two are 5 and 5. So we have to find the height of this isosceles triangle, that is this one. मैं इसको h ले ले रहा हूँ, only rough figure है ये. So first of all, the sum of all the three sides is 5 plus 5 plus 6, 16. So s is equals to 16 by 2, that is 8. And area of triangle we have to find, so we have to use Heron's formula, that is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. ये पूरा full root है. Okay, bracket लगा हुआ है. So now substitute all the values. 8 into 8 minus 5 into 8 minus 5 into 8 minus 6. Okay, don't confuse with this one. Full है 8 into 3 into 3 into 2. Right? 8 we can write 2 into 2 into 2. Now see how many pairs we have of 2. 2 pairs. 2 into 2 and this also 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. So सभी numbers pairs में हैं. So we are getting 2 into 2 into 3. That is 12 centimeter square. Now area of triangle is also we can write half into base into height. And that is equals to 12. Okay. So यहाँ पे ये दोनों cancel होगा. So we are getting 3. So 12 is equals to 3 into h. So what is the value of h? 4 centimeter, right? And the correct option is option C.
Option C.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 27. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. And see, DC is also extended to up to here. Right? Up to this point. And angle BAO is equals to 60 degree. And this angle is 110 degree. Then angle AOC is equals to dash. So AOC means this angle we have to find. Right. So let us start with this angle. These two angles are equal to each other. Why? Corresponding angles. Okay. Since ED is parallel to AB and AE is the transversal, so these two angles are equal to 60 degree corresponding angles. So यहाँ पे मैं 60 लिख दे रहा हूँ. Right. Now this is the exterior angle of this triangle OEC. So the sum of these two angles is equals to 110. Right. So what is the value of this angle? 50 degree. Right. So 60 को यहाँ shift करेंगे तो minus 60 हो जाएगा. So angle EOC is 50 degree. EOC is nothing but that is AOC only. So the correct option is C. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 28. If O00, A30, B34, C04 are 4 given points, then the figure OABC is a dash. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको rough figure draw करेंगे. देखो ध्यान से, ऐसे ही मैं rough sketch draw कर रहा हूँ. So this is O and this is A, right? And no, A यहाँ पर आएगा. This is A, 30 and 04 this is C and 34 it is given. Suppose this is A. So कौन सा figure मिल रहा है? Rectangle. ठीक है. अभी तो मैं ये वाला इसमें दिखला रहा हूँ ग्राफ में. Right? So this is 3 units and this is 4 units. So this is the shape of rectangle. अब इसमें क्वेश्चन ये भी पूछ सकता है कि इसका एरिया कितना है. So 3 is breadth and 4 is length. So 12 square units. Is that clear? So क्वेश्चन बहुत सारा बना सकते हैं. और what is the length of diagonal? देखो ध्यान से. What is the length of the diagonal of the quadrilateral formed? ऐसे भी पूछ सकता है. So इसका कैसे आएगा, diagonal कैसे find करोगे? OB को join कर दो, right? And this is a right triangle, 3, 4, 3 4 का पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट क्या होता है? 5, right? So the length of diagonal is 5. Question is clear?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can form so many questions here, right? So the correct option is B here according to the given question. Now we are moving toward question number 29. The vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 60 degree. Then the measure of each of its base angle. So let the measure of each angles be x, and the vertical angle is 90 degree. And we know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 plus x is 180 degree. So ये 2x हो जाएगा, 90 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. So 180 minus 90 is 90. So the value of x is equals to 45 degree. And the correct answer is option B, right? Now we are moving toward the next question 30. In the below figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equals to AC. AC is produced to D and CE is parallel to BA. If this angle is 52 degree, then the measurement of this angle, ये वाला पूरा एंगल निकालना है. चलो, सबसे पहले these two angles are equal. So angle B is equals to angle C, both. Why?
And opposite equal angles.
Angles opposite to equal sides, right? अभी हम लोग इसको extend कर रहे हैं, right? अभी ये दोनों angles ध्यान से देखो, this angle and this angle are equal, corresponding angle. So this is 52 degree. And these two angles are equal, vertically opposite angle. So this is also 52 degree. So what is the value of angle DCE?
104.
104, right? So the correct option is B bit. Solution is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So now we are moving toward question number 31. If 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 is equals to 9 to the power x, then the value of 5 to the power x. So first of all, 9 to the power x, 9 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 square, and the power of these two we can multiply, ठीक है, 3 into 2 6 हो जाएगा, और इसको 3 square to the power x लिख सकते हैं. So 3 to the power 6 is equals to 3 to the power 2x. So if we compare, we'll get x is equals to 3. यहीं पे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, देखो ध्यान से, क्योंकि बेस दोनों सेम हो गया 9, राइट? ये दोनों पावर हम लोग इंटरचेंज भी कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि दोनों प्रोडक्ट है. 3 into 2 we can write 2 into 3 also. Otherwise simply 3 to the power 6, and this will be 3 to the power 2x. So 2x is equals to 6, so x is equals to 3. So if x is equals to 3, so what is the value of 5 to the power x?
125.
125. That is 5 to the power 3, right? So the correct option is D.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward the last question of section B. In the below figure, triangle ABC is a right triangle. AC is equals to CD. ये दोनों, right? And CDEF is a rectangle. Angle BAC is equals to 50 degree. So this angle is 50 degree. So if this angle is 50 degree, this is also 50 degree, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. And this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. I'm writing 90 degree. And we have to find BDE, this value. So the sum of all these three angles is 180 degree. यहाँ पे already 140 आ गया. तो ये कितना होगा? 40.
40.
Right. And the correct option is B. Right. So now we are moving toward section C. First question, case study question. Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, also called PMNRF in short, is the fund raised to provide support for people affected by natural and man-made disasters. Natural disasters that are covered under these include flood, cyclone, earthquake, etc. Man-made disasters that are included are major accidents, acid attacks, riots, etc. Two friends, Sita and Geeta, together contributed rupees 200 towards Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Then answer the following question. First, which out of the following is not the linear equation in two variables? See, 2x is equals to 3. Also we can write 2x plus 0 into y is equals to 3. So this is linear equation. This is also linear equation. This is also linear equation. Only one odd is there, that is x square plus x is equals to 1, which is not a linear equation because its degree is 2. So the correct answer is B.
Option B.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question. How to represent the above situation in linear equations in two variables. Suppose we are taking Sita's contribution is X and Geeta's contribution is Y. So the total contribution is 200. So X plus Y is equals to 200. And the correct option is C.
Option C.
Right. So now we are moving toward the next question, 35th question. If Sita contributed rupees 176, then how much was contributed by Geeta? So you have to subtract it from 200 because the sum is equals to 200. Okay, so 200 minus 76 is 124 and the correct option is B.
B.
Right, so now we are moving toward the next question, 36. Which is the standard form of the linear equation x is equals to minus 5? So standard form means ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 5 is there. So we can write x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we have to write in standard form. X already is there. So we can write coefficient 1. And there is no y term. So we can write 0 into y. So we can write it as 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is the correct answer. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward the next case study question. Second, a mathematics teacher asks students to collect the marks of mathematics in half-yearly exam. She instructed to all the students to prepare frequency distribution table using the data collected. Ram collected the following marks out of 50 obtained in mathematics by 60 students. Total frequency is given. Okay. So for this type of question, we have to form a frequency distribution table. So the lowest mark is here. What is the lowest mark? I think 7. This one. And the highest mark out of 60 it is given. So definitely we have to go.
Lowest is 5.
5. कहाँ पर है? Yes, here. Right. Very good. Now we have to take first 0 to 10. Right? 10 to 20. Last class will be 50 to 60. Chalo. How many are lying between, means for this class? 0 you can include, but 10 you should not include because this is in continuous form, exclusive form. So count cut करें 1. Second row में कुछ है 1. Only 2 are there, 5 and 7. So 1, 2. यहाँ पे frequency लिख दिए 2. Now 10 to 20 you can include 10, but not include. You should not include 20. So let us start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. और कुछ छूटा है क्या देखो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 आ गया. Next 20 to 30. So 20 you can include, but 30 you should not include. So let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. कुछ छूटा है देखो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Right. Next 30 to 40. 30 you can include, 30 you should not, 40 you should not include. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. One more, 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we are going to get 19 here. Right. 40 to 50 में 40 we can include, 40 we should not include, 50 we should not include. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. उसमें एक ही बचा है, देखो शायद एक ही बचा है 50.
हाँ सर.
Right. So this is 7 and this is 1, last one. Right. अभी 20 more than 20 but less than 30, मतलब ये वाला क्लास देखना है. So कितना है?
21.
21, right. So the correct option is B. Next question.
Option B.
How many students scored less than 20 marks? So we have to add these two. C.
12.
12, right. तो correct option is C. तो एक बार टेबल बन गया तो we can easily answer these questions. Next, how many students scored more than 60%? So total marks was 60. So 60 का 60% कितना होता है? Marks
20%.
एक मिनट टोटल आउट ऑफ 50 था, सॉरी आउट ऑफ 50. सो आउट ऑफ 50 में 30 मार्क्स होता है. सो 30 मोर मतलब 30 से हम लोग को 60 तक काउंट करना है. सो 19, 7 और 1, ठीक है, मोर देन 60%. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग का आ रहा है 27, राइट. सो मोर देन और इक्वल टू लिख देता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. इसको थोड़ा सा करेक्शन कर दे रहा हूँ, मोर देन और इक्वल. अदरवाइज इसमें 30 मार्क्स भी थे. सो 30 मार्क्स कितने थे देखो, 1, 1, 2 है देखो. सो 2 वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट अदरवाइज, ठीक है. सो अगर सिर्फ स्ट्रिक्टली मोर देन 60% होगा तो वी हैव टू टेक 20, नॉट 27, ओनली 25. दिस इज क्लियर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. सो 60% मार्क्स 30 मार्क्स होता है. सो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मोर देन और इक्वल टू is that is 30 marks is 27. So the correct option is D.
Option B.
अगर more than 60% है strictly, then we will get the option B, 25, right. So now we are moving toward the last question of this paper. What is the class mark of the class interval 30 to 40? So class mark कैसे निकालते हैं, दोनों को add करके divide by 2 करना है. So that is mean of 30, average of 30 and 40. So what is 30 plus 40 by 2?
35.
35, right. So the correct answer is B, bit.
Option B.
Option B, right. So this is the last question of the sample paper. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.